Michigan. Up here in the Great Wide North, just wrapped up putting a hydraulic coupler on the SY80 that Schwab Construction bought from us late last year. So you can see the guys working, playing with it over my shoulder. Let's take a look here real quick and show you how fast that coupler went on this machine. You will see this machine throughout the year. The Schwab guys are really great to work with. I'll put their contact information in the comments below if you're in the greater Traverse City area and need some work. Yensen and the guys here, really great to work with. So let's take a look at that coupler installation. that's going to wrap up the project for today. Big thanks to Yensen and Griffin Schwab Construction for having us up to do this install. Like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with us this season. And if you're in Michigan and need a SANY machine, give me a shout. Thanks.